It's grilling season, so let's make some burgers. Hey Busy Bees, it's Zong, and today I'm partnering with Sprouts Farmers Market to share 3 craveable burger ideas to last you all summer long. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Alright, so I'm starting with 2 pounds of ground meat. This one is 100% grass-fed ground beef. I got this meat from the Sprouts Butcher Shop, and Sprouts Butcher Shop products are raised with the highest standards that transform everyday meals into special home-cooked memories. This beef is raised in the US, grazing on nutrient-rich open pastures, and the 100% grass-fed beef is tender with great tasting flavor. So for my burgers, I always like seasoning it, but I know some people prefer just salt and pepper, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So I'll add my ground beef to a bowl, and then I'll add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, about 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. I know that sounds like a lot, but we have 2 pounds of meat here and I want it flavored. 1 tablespoon of Sprouts brand yellow mustard, and about 3 cloves of minced garlic. And now we mix. You can get in there with your hands if you really want to. It's better that way anyways. When making burgers, I like a good mix of fat and meat, so I'm using an 85-15. I'm making enough for 3 different burger ideas, but you can probably get like 4 to 5 patties out of this. Also, I'm making sure not to overwork the meat so that it becomes gummy. You just kind of want to loosely mix everything together. So kind of just crumble it up with your fingers. Great, so now we're gonna form them into patties. So I'm gonna grab maybe a 1/4 pound of meat, this looks right, and we're just gonna pat it down to form a hamburger patty. Slap it back and forth. Slapping the best, man. Sprouts 100% grass-fed beef is always fresh, never frozen. There's no added antibiotics or growth hormones ever. And this meat is also higher in omega-3 fatty acids than grain-fed beef. Gorgeous. Now, typically for a summer barbecue, you would grill these babies up, but for the sake of filming, I'm gonna show you how to do it on a cast iron. I'll start by getting my cast iron really hot, and then I'm gonna add my meat directly on there to sear it. I'm not adding any oil because there's plenty of fat in the meat. I'm gonna cook each side for about 3 minutes to get to a nice medium rare. If you want it well done, go ahead and cook it for about 5 minutes on each side. Once I flip the patty over and let it cook for a minute, I'm gonna add my cheese. So for a cheeseburger, you have to have sharp cheddar cheese. I found this RBST free cheese at the Sprouts Market Corner Deli. This cheese is made from creamy whole milk and there's no growth hormones added ever. There's also multiple varieties available in slices and shreds, so you can use your favorite cheese any variety. You can sub the sharp cheddar out for Swiss or even Munster if you want to get all fancy. Other Sprouts Market Corner products are the perfect answer to your busy life. They're chef-inspired and made with quality ingredients. The Market Corner makes mealtime easy. Alright, I have all of my burgers cooked up and ready to go. The cheese is nice and melty and they smell pretty delicious. So I'm gonna start assembling the burgers, but first I wanna show you my special sauce. In a bowl, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Sprouts brand ketchup, 1 teaspoon of Sprouts brand yellow mustard, which I want to mention that you can find everyday staples to unique specialty items by Sprouts brand at unbeatable prices throughout the store. I got both of these bottles for under $5. Plus, Sprouts brand products are always free from artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives. Okay, back to the sauce. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of relish and a dash of apple cider vinegar for a nice tang. Give it a good mix. Perfection. All right, so let's assemble our first burger. I have a toasted bun, and now I'm just gonna spread our special sauce on each side, some shredded lettuce at the bottom, our grass-fed patty with some sharp cheddar cheese, nice and melty. Ooh, there's even a little cheese skirt. And then I'll add 2 slices of tomatoes, a little bit of onions, and that's it. Does that look good or what? Man, I'm calling this guy the classic. All right, let's make another one, shall we? For this one, we already have the burger cooked, so I'm gonna show you how to saute the mushrooms. In a cast iron, I'm gonna let it get hot, and then I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, about 2 cloves of minced garlic, 3 cremini mushrooms that I've thinly sliced, a little bit of thyme, fresh thyme, and then to make it nice and special, I like to add a drizzle of truffle oil. Let it cook for about a minute or two until the mushrooms really shrink, and then a pinch of salt to flavor and draw out the moisture. All right, now let's assemble our mushroom, truffle, and brie burger. For this one, we're gonna start by adding mayo on our toasted buns. Now I'll add our hamburger patty, layer it with some slices of brie, and then I'll top it with our mushrooms. If you want a more pronounced truffle flavor, you can add another drizzle of truffle oil. I do. And here is our mushroom truffle brie burger. Fancy. So for this one, if you can't already tell, we're making a guacamole burger. I'm gonna start by showing you how to make a really simple guac. In my bowl, I'm gonna scoop a whole ripe avocado. If you love avocados, hit me with an avocado emoji in the comments section. Then I have 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. I'll give it a squeeze of lime juice, a pinch of salt, and then we're gonna mash everything together. I'm keeping the guac rather chunky here because you don't want it to mush with the burger, you want it to have texture. So now on our toasted bun, I'm gonna add a layer of lettuce at the bottom. Then we have our hamburger patty, this time with melty pepper jack cheese that I also got from Sprouts Market Corner, some tomatoes, onions, and a nice healthy portion of our guac. Close up the burger, and this is our guac attack. Oh my goodness. Looks restaurant quality. I mean, they all do. So here are your 3 burgers to last you all summer. We have the classic, the truffle mushroom brie, and the guac attack. Personally, I am a cheeseburger girl, so I am eyeing this classic one. Let's give it a try. All right, you guys, for all of your grilling needs, be sure to stop by Sprouts Farmers Market. Sprouts is a healthy grocery store offering fresh, natural, and organic foods at great prices, and Sprouts makes eating healthy affordable. That patty is so flavorful, and that cheese skirt, muy bien. I don't even know why I said that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Drop me a comment and tell me which burger you would try and what you look forward to most this summer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!